In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at the heart and COVID-19.
Studies have shown that COVID-19 can lead to long-term health problems affecting organs like the heart. Consultant cardiologist Dr. Victor Elliott says 10% of persons who have recovered from the virus now suffer from a heart condition known as myocarditis. This is inflammation of the heart muscle.
The virus infects the heart. This is one thought, that the virus infects the heart muscle itself, and so your immune system responds to the virus in the muscles of the heart, and that causes the inflammation. Another thought is that your immune system attacking the virus, say in your throat or in your nose, but because your immune system is activated, it also, for some reason, also attack the muscles of the heart, causing the inflammation.
Among the symptoms include chest pain and shortness of breath.
If the inflammation is very severe, causing the muscle walls to get weak and not to pump well, you go into what we call heart failure. So that's one way in which it can kill you. The other way, as I said, it makes you prone to irregular rhythms, what we call arrhythmias. And we know from this by now that once you start to develop arrhythmias with COVID, your rate of death goes extremely high. The arrhythmia induced by the myocarditis is usually fatal.
Dr. Elliott recommends that persons experiencing symptoms should seek urgent medical attention. They must first do an echocardiogram to assess the heart before undergoing treatment. But importantly,
rest is very important in recovering from somebody with recovering from myocarditis, not going out and being too active until the heart gets time to recover. Sometimes the doctor will put you on medications such as aspirin, high-dose aspirin, or other anti-inflammatories that will help to settle the inflammation of the heart until you recover.
Despite the concerns, Dr. Elliott notes that it is safe for persons with myocarditis to take the COVID-19 vaccine. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.